why are you saying on the context na piniperwisyo kayo ng enforcer kung may mali naman po kayo? Diba? Joe, that's why I want to confirm if it's true. Let's confirm lang muna.
Here's the case, sir.
Sir, wait lang. I want to confirm something lang muna, okay? Aban, totoo ba na sinabi ng nahuli mo na piperwisyohin ka niya?
Yes, boss.
Okay. Bakit niyo po sinabi yon?
Sir, because
Why?
he's been lying. I
What?
did not say actually that.
Okay.
Sabi ko nagkaka-perwisyon tayo, magpe-perwisyon talaga tayo.
Wait lang.
That's a different thing.
Wait lang ha, wait lang. If you, that's not a different thing.
It is.
It's not. It's not. It's not.
But anyway,
It's not. It's not a different thing.
na lang, ayaw
Hindi
ko
po.
lang patagal-tagal pa
Hindi po. Ganito lang yan.
Ang init eh.
Ay, wala po tayong magagawa. Kahit saan tayo punta, mainit ngayon. Ngayon, sinasabi niya, nagsisinungaling ka. Bakit? I want to know why.
I did not say he's lying.
Sabi mo, he's been lying.
I'm saying magkaiba yung pay-permission at nagkaka-permission.
Ano yung RCR niya? Gusto ko makita bakit naka-temporary plate.
Hindi ko pa nakukuha yung ano ko.
Doon ko po makikita po natin kung kailan pa po yan na-issue ang plate number niyo po kayo.
Alam ko naman na may violation.
So bakit mo sasabihin piniperwisyo kayo? So why are you saying on the context na piniperwisyo kayo ng enforcer kung may mali naman po kayo? Di ba? Kung wala kayong mali at hinuhuli kayo at kinokotongan kayo, perwisyo. Pero may mali po kayo, top to bottom. Walang helmet, dress
I
code.
understand.
So, 2024 pa may plaka to. Failure to attach to. O, di ba,
Wala
boss?
pa ako nakukuha.
Sir, kung hindi niyo pa nakukuha,
Sir, kung ano, i-attach ko na talaga.
nasaan po ang authorization nyo to use, excuse lang po, para makita natin. Saan po ang authorization nyo to use improvised plate? Tama ang huli na enforcer eh. Wala kayong helmet. Naka-dress code violation kayo. Nakiusap kayo. Remember sir, ang consideration, that's why it's consideration, it's optional. It's not always always granted. Pulo natin dahil nahuhuli tayo, pero sana konting ano. Sige na, i-show mo ng ticket. Andito po.